Hey YouTube family, happy Tuesday, December. I always look over here because I have a calendar on the wall. December 15th. Welcome to another studio vlog. Hi, my name is Nadia and I don't know what else to say. First, a big thank you for all the love that I received in my previous studio vlog. Thank you guys so much for the congratulations. As you guys know, I announced that my Kwanzaa stickers that I made, the first ever stickers I ever made in my life, sold out on the Etsy shop. So I was really excited about that. But then I restocked, so it's available if you want it. But yes, I sold out. So thank you guys for all the congratulatory messages. I do appreciate it. Like, it warms my heart because you guys know I'm struggling. I can't draw. This is something very brand new to me, but we're getting there. Today is Tuesday. What do we have planned for today? I do have some throwback music stickers that I've been working on, and I wanted to record the process, but sometimes I just get the idea and I just want it to flow. I just want to work on it without having to worry about turning on the camera. So they're all completed. I just have to do the white outline back end, so I'll show you the process on that. But I'm really excited about that. I like the creative aspects of it. So with those, again, I looked at Google for images, the basic images, and then I based my design on those images, and then I spruced it up my own little style, of course, with pastel colors. But I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to show that to you guys. And also, for those that are asking, well, by the time you see this vlog, it will be Sunday, but the charms, the planner clips, are now live on the Etsy shop. So these are like paperclip charms. So these are live in the shop, and I have a variety of colors and plant. I have a variety of colors and also a variety of plant leaves. So these are now available, as well as the classics, as well as the classic flower pin, now available in the shop as well. So that is exciting news. I tell you, you guys, I keep adding things all the time, weekly, because the ideas just come and I have to act on it. So go to Etsy, like the shop, favorite it, put a heart around it if you want to just keep up to date with that, or simply sign up to my email list. It's called the Creatives email list, where I send you updates ever so often, not often at all because I don't have time. I don't like a lot of messages in my inbox, so I send you updates ever so often of new releases. I check in on you. I send you coupon codes. I send freebies, whatever. I send giveaways, whatever just sparks me in the moment. I just send a little sprinkle of everything every now and then. Okay, it is early in the morning. It is 4:45 in the morning. So let me work on outlining the throwback music stickers, and then I have classes to teach, and then we'll just figure out the rest of the day. Okay? Again, welcome. If you like what you see, subscribe. My channel is all about everything in my life, and I do appreciate your love and support. Just showing you guys a sneak peek of the throwback music stickers that are coming. I absolutely love music, so I just decided to do a throwback. It started with the idea of I wanted to do a cassette tape. Like, let's make that bigger for you. I wanted to do a cassette tape, so I just looked at an image of a cassette tape on Google and I drew the basic outline of it. But then I just colored it up with my colors. I just wrote a mixtape on it because, you know, that's what I'm used to. And I just colored it. This was fairly easy because, like I said, I use Google as my design template because I can't really draw. I'm a new artist, so I use whatever's available. And then once I did the cassette tape, I just started getting ideas for more. So then I moved on to a CD player and I colored it up. And then I moved on to The Walkman. Who remembers the Walkman? Raise your hand. And I colored it up. And then I moved on to... Where my DJs at? Where my DJs at? Turntables. And then I said, let me take it way back. Way back. To a record player, old school record player. And then I said, let me bring it up to more present, but not too present. The Nano. Who remembers the Nano? The iPod Nano. So that's it. So what I want to do now is create the white border outline so that I can get ready to print these. Let me know what you guys think. Which one is your favorite? Do you like it? Which one is your favorite? Why does my printer hate me? After all of that, this is what printed out. Like, are you serious? Where's the rest of it? Where's the rest of it, printer? Why do you do this to me? The struggles. The struggles. But the color though, the color payoff. I kind of wanted it to be more pastel. But you know, I'm not too mad at it. I'm not too mad. Okay. They redeemed himself and printed correctly. Now let's see what the Cricut is going to do, if it's going to cut correctly. That is the question, ladies and gentlemen. That is the question. What do you think? Comment below. Are you, yay, Cricut, you got this, or nah, it's gonna mess it up? Let's see. Okay, the Cricut it's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Pixie Joy. I am so proud of you. Do your thing. Look at you. Cut, cut, cut. Yes. Cut, Pixie. Ooh. Colors. Yes, Pixie Joy. Very good. We looking like we're having a good start today. We're having a good day today. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Yes, do you love it? Let me know. Because I love it. It's everything to me. It is everything to me. Okay, YouTube family. Now that I'm really looking at the sticker sheet, as much as I love it, I'm finding that it's not as perfect as I would want it to be. It isn't. This one is my favorite because it pops. The color pops so much because I used black to outline everything. It was black. But these ones are outlined with gray. Do you see? Outlined in black. Outlined. Why are you not focusing? Hello. outlined in gray, outlined in black. And I like the black better. Which means now I have to go through and retrace all of these in black. And that's going to take time. But it will make me happier and it will just be a much better quality. Like everything, all the lines, all the little details, I would rather them in black. All right, you guys. Okay, I guess we have to do it. I think my favorite part about journal writing is being able to dress it up with all the stickers and the designs. I love writing and getting my thoughts out there. Best part, it's a great feeling. But then when you get to dress it up with all of this, just love it. It's just beautiful to me. It's just amazingly beautiful. I started decorating the office with my little mini Christmas tree, even though it's exactly a week before Christmas, and my Christmas unicorn. Say hey. But then the fairy lights started to piss me off because they got tangled up, and I just stopped and just threw it all at the top because I was getting really annoyed. I just literally just threw it on there and I said, you figure yourself out, but it's going to look cute in the dark. I'm not worried about it. So now I want to dress it up with some Christmas ornaments and then clean the office and then get working. She cute. So I don't have a star to put at the top, but I do have these cute rose gold fairy ballerina thing. I have 2 of them. So I figure, right, if I put it, yes, on my hair, the other one behind, or let's turn her around like that. That's a cute look. I think it's a cute look. And then I have all these rose gold ornaments that I'm going to decorate it with. Here's the finished product. I'll show it to you afterwards when I turn the lights off. But it's looking really cute in the corner. I elevated it. I put it on top of little stand. It's cute. I'm happy. This is how it looks in the nighttime. And it has different settings for the lights. So let's try and see. Ooh. Really pretty. 2. Okay. Number 3. Ooh, festive. 4. That's too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast. Oh no, number 5. No. It's like it looks like I'm at a disco party. See, this is what I like, number 6. Yep. Number 7. No, nope. 8. 8 is just on, and I can make it dimmer or brighter. Let's see. That dims it. Ooh. And then this brightens it. Anyway, back to number 6, what I like? Yes, number 6. And then I also have these mini trees right here that changes color around the office. I have 2 of them, but they're just around. Well, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate the love. I appreciate it so much. If you're new, subscribe. I would love and appreciate you if you subscribed. Thank you, and have a happy holiday. Is it holiday or holidays? Have a happy holidays, because it's 2 holidays, right? Multiple holidays. It's Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, New Year's. Happy holidays. Bye, you guys.